everything you handle these days has got computer logic embedded in it somewhere.
Families of 4 tend to have about 2 desktops, 2 laptops, a tablet and 4 mobile phones between them. It's hard to imagine a part of your life which doesn't involve computers. Computers are changing all the time, and what people built for computers in the last 20 years no longer are really relevant.
A decent computer, even 20, 30 years ago, would have occupied a room. But now, thanks to the microprocessor revolution, things are so small. We've got smartphones, tablets, e-books, all with embedded processors and lots of memories.
People used to go to a place where they had a computer in order to do their work. Now you reach for the nearest computer, whether that's pulling it out of your pocket or grabbing the nearest laptop. People have them with them all the time. They use them in the bar, they use them with their friends.
Computing really has taken off and become ubiquitous, and it just pervades our whole life. It's everywhere.
Nowadays pretty much everyone has a smartphone, whether it's BlackBerry or whether it's an iPhone.
The smartphone platform is increasing massively in terms of its uptake. There's more and more demand for applications that people can use on their phones where they are at the moment. As people are increasingly busier and busier, what we're seeing is more and more people trying to get that information onto this mobile platform to be used everywhere and anywhere, instead of having to boot up a computer in order to find a little bit of information.
Many of our students do indeed write mobile phone or tablet apps as part of their projects.
I decided to write a drafts game mainly because the smartphones make a great gaming environment, as you can use them on the move. When you have a spare moment during the day, you can just take them out, for example on the tube, even on a bus.
So I've built an iPhone bus timetabling application.
Computer science is the study of computing devices, but perhaps more importantly, it's the study of the software that brings the hardware to life.
Computer science is not about using computers, it's not about using software, but it's about making things, making software, and making things that people will use on computers.
In order to build a mobile application, there's lots of similar things in terms of making a computer application. In fact, these run on exactly the same languages that you would run on a computer itself.
I decided to use OpenGL and just basic C. As I had already programmed in C and C++ before, I thought it would be very simple. I wouldn't have to learn that much more.
We don't teach people a certain programming language, we teach them how to understand programming languages so that when new languages come out in the future, they can understand how it works and learn to use it quickly. So it means that your experience doesn't get out of date. It means that you are prepared for how it will change in the future.
The range of career opportunities available to computer scientists nowadays is just amazing.
Most companies need computer scientists in different places.
Well, I'm quite lucky in that I'm starting work full-time at a big company beginning with the letter M, starting on Monday.
I'm actually coming back next year to do an MSc course, staying in the school, staying at the uni.
I'm actually still going to be a student. I'm undertaking a PGCE in maths, so hopefully I'll be a teacher.
I left in 2003, I studied computer science, and I'm now an agile software developer.
And I'm now a software engineer for BT.
And I currently work as an agile software developer in sunny Stoke-on-Trent.
I moved to Prague to set up a development centre for Barclays Capital.